Hey everyone, Andrew here, bringing you another video review, and today we're going to be doing a DC Universe Classics review, and that's a Wave 4 figure number 1, Wonder Woman. I'm going to do things from this camera angle. I hope that doesn't bother you guys. Don't worry, there'll be plenty of chances to see the figure clearly. Just easier for me for doing it in this position. So let's just start things off by taking a look at the figure. I have the accessories here separate, but I'm not going to bother with any kind of profile at all because, well, it's Wonder Woman. I mean, seriously, you guys should know by now all there is to know about her. But yeah, whatever. Just take a look at the figure. Wonder Woman is the second DC Universe Classics figure to be a female. The first one being the Harley Quinn one. The bodies are similar, but there are a few differences too. Let's just talk about the articulation. It's the same as everything else. That's about it. You gotta just be careful of this leg though, because the golden lasso is actually plastic on this figure, so you don't want to take the golden lasso off by moving the leg up too much. But the articulation is all the same on this figure than it would be on any of the other DC Universe Classics figure. The head though, when rotating it, the hair does get in the way. That is bothersome. And the arms are fragile. They can fall apart very easily, so you want to be careful. She does come with two accessories. A very gnarly looking battle axe, two-bladed, very beautiful, and then a very good looking shield, a golden shield, which clips onto her arm right there. So we'll do that. Not like it's that hard. Just stick that up on there and put the axe in the hand. Now the axe doesn't like to stay in the hand that much. It will fall. Some point in this review it will fall. So just gonna put it there and pray it doesn't. So let's just talk about the look and my thoughts on this figure. I was really looking forward to this figure because, as you guys know, Wonder Woman is my favorite, my second favorite superhero. So I was really looking forward to this figure. I was though a little bit disappointed in it. My main problem with this figure is that it looks like it was built by two different people. The top body part is very thin and I want to say almost anorexic looking, at least for Wonder Woman. And then the bottom section has these huge quadricep-like legs. See if you can see that. They're really big, really big. So, I mean, it looks like it was built from two different people, which bothers me a bit. The head is an absolute beautiful head mold. Very beautiful Wonder Woman head mold. Probably one of my favorites. Actually, maybe it is my favorite. It has such great hair and it looks very nice. The only other problem I have with this figure, though, is just it looks too much like an action figure. I mean, you can tell that, you know, here's the part where the abdomen bends, and here's where the quadriceps rotate. It just looks too much like a figure, and it doesn't look convincible as a display piece. Because at least with some of the other Universe Classic figures, they're well done enough that you can't tell that they're actually toys. But this one does look a lot like a toy, so take another look at her. This doesn't necessarily mean she's bad as a figure. She's an average figure, mediocre, okay. She has her many problems, but she does have some good. On a whole, from a distance, her body, from the top side up, looks good. I mean, it does look like a toy with the joints and the different things, but it still does look good. It does have a nice feminine touch to it. The head mold is very nice. The weapons are nice. It's just the lasso, the bottom section, the legs, and the fact that it does look like a toy that bothers me. So, on a whole, it's mediocre. It's okay. It's just average. It'll never be as good as this Wonder Woman figure, which is clearly the best Wonder Woman figure I've ever seen. This is the best Wonder Woman figure. It'll never be as good as that, but it is a good figure. It holds its own. I leave it up to you guys whether or not you should get it. Wonder Woman fans, definitely. But if you're not a Wonder Woman fan, it's really up to your discretion. Mediocre figure. Mediocre. I said that like 9 million times. So, with that said, I'm just going to end the review, give you guys one more overall look so that you guys can actually see it. There we go. She looks like a man with those legs, though. It's ridiculous. Take a look. Just the legs. Look at that. Man-like. Here's the weapon again. Again, the arms are fragile, so you have to be careful with them. but on a whole, the figure looks good. The head mold is beautiful, but besides that, they could have worked a little bit better on her. So I guess I'll end the review here. Use your discretion, okay? With that said, this is Andrew saying peace out for now.